Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the second day of May in the year 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.3. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 12.14% since we first listed Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 13 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.93% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper end of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $12.56 would first indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 16.51% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 17.85% to 22.80%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 116.31%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 44.47% to 355.37% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $17.22 and $54.28. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Rigetti Computing Inc. Stock price on Tuesday moving between $11.51 and $12.68. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price fell by 1.08% on the last day, Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, from $12.05 to $11.92. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 10.17%, with a day low at $11.51 and a day high of $12.68. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 21.82% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 32 million shares, but with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next couple of days. In total, 92 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.10 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $21.42, and the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 44.35% or $9.50. Below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, recognized by its ticker RGTI, has been attracting considerable attention in the technology market, especially within the quantum computing sector. A recent comparative analysis indicates that Rigetti may be favorably positioned against industry giants like Microsoft, highlighting its potential to advance artificial intelligence and computing technologies. As investors look for opportunities in emerging sectors, the recent fluctuations in Rigetti's stock reflect this increasing interest. Over the past year, the stock experienced an impressive rise of 823%, although it has also faced volatility, including a recent decline of 23%. This volatility is emphasized by significant actions from investors, such as billionaire Israel Englander, who substantially reduced his stake in RGTI, raising questions about the stock's future trajectory. The latest earnings report disclosed a notable drop in revenue, falling short of expectations, which could affect investor sentiment. Nonetheless, despite these challenges, Rigetti has seen sharp price movements, including an 18% surge following strategic developments in the quantum computing space. In the short term, these dynamics may lead to increased speculation as traders respond to both positive milestones and negative forecasts. Over the long term, Rigetti's performance may depend on its capacity to sustain growth and innovate amid fierce competition. As a result, RGTI's stock price remains sensitive to market sentiment and broader trends in quantum computing and artificial intelligence, making it a stock to monitor closely. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, B. Riley reported a buy rating for RGTI, along with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, Craig Hallam provided RGTI with a buy rating and an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Needham gave RGTI a buy rating coupled with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have provided Rigetti Computing stock with a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Incorporated exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average currently stands above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $11.49 and $9.46. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, May 19, 2025, and to date, the stock has experienced a decline of 1.08%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock warrants closer scrutiny. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 148 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $11.64. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement during the day, indicating its volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.17 between its high and low, which is a change of 10.17%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 11.35%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may highlight ongoing profit issues and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $12.05. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $11.64. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. conducted an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.391. Overall, insiders purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.55, reflecting a decrease of 3.09%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which indicates a higher level of risk. Notably, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of May, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open higher by approximately 12 cents and start trading at $12.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.